Whatever touches true love, it's true love. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for you. Like in the hotel, there are just some things that never change. You say we just friends, but friends don't know the way you taste. La la la. Cause I know it's been a long time coming, don't you let me fall. Ooh, when you listen, trust me, hooked on your tongue. Ooh, love you can't sit still, don't stop. I love it when you call me señorita. I wish I could pretend I didn't need you. Whatever touches true love, it's true love. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you know I love it when you call me señorita. I wish it wasn't so hard to leave you. Whatever touches true love, it's true love. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for you. All along I've been coming for you. And I hope it means something to you. Call my name, I'll be coming for you. Coming for you. Coming for you. For you. Oh, she love it when I come. Oh, yeah. Ooh, I should be running. Ooh, you keep me coming for you. They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my there's a place in both in mine. You know you stopped me dead when I was passing by. Okay, good evening, everyone. Good evening. Okay, once again, if you can hear me, type hello. If you can hear me, type hello. Hi, Guo Hao. Hi, Kai Liang. Hi, David. If you can hear me, type hello. Okay, if you can hear. Great. A lot of you type hello already. That's very good. Okay, great. I saw all your comments already. So hi, Wendy. Hi, Shirley. Hi, everyone. Okay, I just want to give me another 10 more seconds. I just want to make sure everything is all right. The music, the sound, everything is all right. Okay, cool. Seems like everything is good. Okay, good. Okay, just before I begin, can you all share with me, right? Because the topic for today is what will I do and what should you do, because the market is all-time high. Can you all share with me why you are here? Can you share with me the one thing you want to take away from this session? And through this, right, I want to see whether I meet your expectation. Once again, I repeat my question. My question is, please type it down. What is the one thing you want to discover and take away from this session? I give all of you 10 seconds, okay? From this session. Okay, great. Okay, do type it down in the comment below. What is the one thing you want to take away? Okay, great. Let me show you something crazy. Okay, so my team member actually, somebody say, damn son, Marshall, who are you? I want to be a handsome guy like you. Okay, cool. Okay, hi. Addition to make. Okay, so I have one challenge today because my team member actually have this stuff. Let me share the screen now. My team member actually mentioned this. My team member Wendy actually mentioned, do look out for weekly challenge for our speakers, because this week, right, all our speakers. Today is Monday, so at the start of the week, balance a book on your head from the start of the show, which is now lah, and see who can hold the longest. Loser will do a forfeit. How many of you want to see how I balance a book? If you want to see, right, type book. Type book. Wow, this is sibei bo liao. But if you want to see how I balance a book, type book. Okay, this will not affect the session. I will still focus on you, okay? Okay, great. Let's begin. Okay, if you want to see how I balance a book, type book. Okay, Guo Hao mentioned how to benefit from current market. Okay. Our friend here, how to react to certain market. Okay, to buy or to sell. Okay. I will see whether I fulfill your expectation. Our friend Athena, what can I do when the stock market price is so high? Okay, cool. Very good. Wow, you all see it, bo liao. Okay. If my team member Wendy is here, right? If you are here, can you type hello? I just want to see whether you are here. Okay, so right now, let's begin. Okay, I shall put the book on my head. I shall put my own book. This is my own book. Okay, The Hidden Gold Mine, written by me and my co-authors. My hair must nice first. Okay, so let's begin. Yeah. Starts now. I want to cough, although cannot cough. Oh shit! Never mind, second try. I cough first. Cough until everything, then I start. Okay. One more last try, then I. Walao, forget it lah. Okay, let's begin lah. Ayo, I cannot focus lah. Okay, let's begin. Ayo, who come up with this stupid idea? Okay, but never mind. Okay, come. It's for entertainment lah, for you lah. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, today we will have a lot of hands-on exercise and etc. Okay, let's begin. Yes, I'm on the screen. Okay, so today's session will be what to do when the stock market is at a all-time high now. Okay, some of you might know or might not know, but US market is near or already at an all-time high. Okay, in March, the stock market actually dropped down tremendously fast, and right now it's actually reached the same level as March. So right now in 5 months, March until now August is around 5 months. There's a big roller coaster, down, pump, and up again. Okay, 5 months. Let's begin. Okay. So the agenda for today is this. Okay, I will share with you the overall market outlook, my personal market outlook, my personal opinion, and what do I do now, and what you can do now. Okay, like what Athena mentioned, what to do now. Okay, and what are the sources? What are the sources that Glen use? Sources as in like what are the places I use to research for stocks? What are the places I go and look for stock market information? How many of you want to know where do I get my source? Okay, where do I get my source, which is over here? Okay, if you want to know, right? If you want to know where do I get the sources, type Glen. Okay, this is my personal as in where do I go lah. It's no right, no wrong lah, but these are the places I go. I'm going to share with you. If you want to know, type Glen. Okay, and do Glen monitor stocks? And if Glen monitor stocks, where do I go? Okay, so let's go. Okay, let me see. Okay, let me wait for y'all to type. Glen. Okay, I'm holding the book on my head. See whether I can focus or not. Okay, let's go. Don't let this book affect you, okay? Let's begin. Okay, so you can see that the first thing, wow, I talk very stern. I cannot raise my voice. If not, the book will drop. Okay, so the first thing over here is the Buffett indicator. Shit. Never mind, forget it, okay? Okay, come. The first thing, I want to be Glen. Okay, come. Okay, so this is what we call the Buffett indicator. Why it is called the Buffett indicator? Because Buffett used this as indicator. Okay, so the real meaning of it, the real indicator of it, the name of it is ratio. Let me share with you. The real word of it is over here. Why like that? Okay, the real word is over here. Ratio of total market cap. Market cap, that means the value of the stocks. When the value of stocks, a lot of people buy stocks, right? The market cap will go up. A lot of people sell stocks, the market cap will go down. Okay, the real name of it is ratio of total market cap to US GDP, which is here. GDP, that means y'all know the real market. Okay, whether the real market have been generating and making money. Okay. So the ratio of total market cap to US GDP. Okay, so this is the case. Okay, 100% means what? 100% means over here, it means the ratio of total market cap meet the GDP. That means fair value. Anything above 100% is quite expensive. Okay, so this is the indicator. Sorry, this is the explanation. Okay, you can see the ratio below 72% is undervalued, very undervalued. Okay, anything below 93 is modestly undervalued. That means quite undervalued. Okay, anything around 100, which I mentioned just now, is fair value. Okay, anything above is overvalue or very overvalue, significant. Okay, so currently right now is this as of today 177%. This is not what I say. This is this indicator that Buffett used. Okay, so currently is significant overvalue for US market. Okay, if you understand roughly, right, you don't have to be you don't need a degree or master degree to understand this. Okay, but if you slightly understand, roughly understand, half understand what Glenn is talking about, can you type Buffett indicator? Can you type Buffett indicator? Okay, so this is Buffett indicator. Okay, this is Buffett indicator. Okay, good. Very, very good. Okay, I just want to make sure if everything is okay. Okay, let me take a look. Okay, good. Buffett indicator, Buffett indicator. Very good, very good. Okay, hi Yan Ling, hi Hong Rui, hi Guo Hao, hi Xiu Wan. Okay, hi Lily. Okay, so this is Buffett indicator. So we know that in US market is very overvalued based on this. Okay, so you can see that this is Buffett indicator. Don't worry, this one is a bit small. Okay, but let me show you something. Okay, so you can see US, right? Over here, based on Buffett indicator, which is this, currently is 177%. So it's super overvalued. Okay, it's crazy. Okay, Switzerland also based on this one, super overvalued also. Okay, so there are two market. Now all of you know why I only invest in these two market. Not only I mostly invest in these two market. In the last 3 months, right, I actually invest more and more weightage, right, into these two market. Can you all guess which two market is it? I actually mentioned last week and 2 weeks ago. Do you know which two market I have been investing for the last 3 months? If you know, right, can you type down which are the two markets that I've been investing? Other than US. If you know, please comment below. Okay. Some of our friends say, Glenn, where do you get a source? Don't worry. I will share with you. Okay. I'll share with you. Our friends say, okay, what's the title of the book? What's the title of the book? Okay, it's this one. Hidden Gold Mine in You. Okay, written by me and my 2 co-authors. Okay. Just now got one friend said, where do I get this chart? Okay, later I share with you. Right, later. If I never share with you, right, please remind me again in this session. Okay. Okay. Scared I forget. Yes, a lot of you correct. So currently I'm investing in these two market. Okay, heavily more and more. Okay, well, a lot of you know me. Wow, very good. Wow, you're are my fans. Yay, thank you very much. Y'all know me. Okay, so yes, let me share with you why I actually invest. Before I see this, I already invest already because to me it's undervalued. But after I see the Buffett indicator, I'm more rest assured like, wow, hey, that means Buffett also same thinking as me because the indicator shows that is quite good value. Okay, let me share with you. So you can see that based on indicator over here. Okay, over here. Can you see that? Why isn't super overvalue? Weird shit. Okay, no, it's this one. Singapore. Singapore, below 100. Not bad. Hong Kong quite weird. Hong Kong super weird, yeah. I just saw 900 plus. Quite scary. Quite scary. Okay, come. Let me show you where do I get this. I already put the softs here. Oh, scare the hell out of me. Hong Kong. Okay, no. Okay, never mind. Let's go to the source. Later we zoom into Hong Kong if got time, okay? So it's over here. Let me open up the source. Okay, so basically, right, you go to this website called Guru Focus. You don't go now. Later you go yourself. Okay, right now let me demonstrate to you and focus here. There's this Guru Focus, then market valuation. How do you come here? Quite easy lah. Later you all can go and find yourself. Okay, of course I actually pay for it, but you don't need to pay. Okay, lock out. Okay, you don't need to pay. You also will got the same information as me. Okay, don't worry. So here. Okay. So where do I get the thing? Don't worry. It's over here. You all can search for buffer indicator. Okay, Guru Focus. Guru Focus. Buffer indicator. Buffer indicator. Okay. Okay, it's over here. Over here lor. Buffer indicator based on today lah. Okay. It's not this one. This one. Okay, buffer indicator. Blah blah blah. Okay, so you all can take a look yourself and etc. Okay. So next thing, right, I want to show you is this. This one. You say get this chart, right? Where do you get? Somebody asked me where do you get this chart? There over here. Wow, this one I haven't seen yet. I do this slide out, but I also haven't seen this. Wow, quite scary. Yep. Okay, so from here, right, you can roughly know, okay, where they get the source lah. Okay, you can read it up yourself. Okay, where they get the source, blah blah blah, and how they calculate. Okay, you can do a calculation and everything yourself. Okay, so the other thing I want to share with you is this. I also roughly take a look at the dividend yield, the average of the dividend payment of the country ETF over the last 5 years. Okay, and which ETF they use? They use corresponding ETF. Okay, same source over here. Corresponding ETF over here lah. Okay, like Hong Kong they use EWH, Singapore they use EWS, all these ETF. Okay, based on this ETF, right, you can see the dividend yield. Okay, of course, when the stock price drop, the dividend yield increase. The stock price goes up, the dividend yield decrease. Okay, so these are the rough dividend yield. So you can see Singapore dividend yield is roughly 4.6, which is pretty good for ETF. Then this one dividend yield super a lot. Russia 6%. Wow, pretty cool. Okay, so from here, right, you can see that which one is more undervalued, which one is not so undervalued. Okay, you can see US current dividend yield only 1.7. Okay, just take note of this. Pretty cool. Okay, and one thing I want to share with you also. This one's super cool. This one's super cool. Okay, later we have a Q&A session. So you can see this one, not I say one. Projected annual return. How they calculate this projected annual return? Okay, it's based on valuation. You can go and read up yourself lah. Okay, you can go and read up yourself. Okay, it's based on valuation. The cheaper it is, of course, the future growth potential is much more. So in Guru Focus, not me, in Guru Focus, their calculation is that they project Singapore annual return percentage to be 16% annually. Not bad. And US, they put negative because in their opinion, currently US is overvalued, which I agree. Once again, this is not individual stocks, okay? This is general market. Okay, can you all type general market? You all must remember, whatever I taught is macro, the macroeconomics, okay? I didn't zoom into specific stocks or what. Okay, 2 weeks ago, I mentioned specific stock. Today, I talk about more macro. Okay. Then, in their opinion, emerging market, Turkey will grow at 18% because undervalued and etc. Then followed by blah, 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 blah. Okay. So, this is based on Guru Focus. This is not based on me. This is based on Guru Focus. So, where to get all this data? You can go Guru Focus and take a look. So, this is one of the source that I use. Okay, one of the source. Why no Malaysia? Our friend Zasian mentioned, why no Malaysia? Very good question. Why no Malaysia? Let me find. Oh, no Malaysia. Can you see that? I'm actually searching for Malaysia and Malaysia 0. I'm not sure why also. Okay, you can go and email to Guru Focus and ask. Okay, can you see this? Contact us. Go and contact them and ask. I think it's a very good question. Okay, so ask them. I also do not know why. Okay, great. Okay, later I share with you practical stuff. Okay, so yeah, this is what I shared with you just now under this source. Okay, just before I begin further, the next slide and all etc. Any questions so far? Any questions so far? This is macro. Okay, any questions so far? General market. Yeah. General market. Okay. Yeah, Wendy. My book keep dropping. Yeah, just now my audience saw my book already. I put three times I'll drop. Okay. Okay. Come. Any questions so far? Okay, our friend here, Yanling. So it's important to know macro. In my opinion, it's important lah. It's important because I use macro to see how much percentage of cash I must allocate. Okay, percentage of cash. So if the macro, the overall is very cheap, undervalued, of course I will allocate more cash into the market. If the overall is overvalued, I'll allocate lesser cash. So there's one period of time whereby the market is super overvalued. Warren Buffett, I forgot which year, 1990 what or what, I forgot. So Warren Buffett actually hold the cash for 4 years. A lot of people laugh at him because the market is still very bullish. Then after he keep a lot of cash, majority of his portfolio is cash at that time now. So the stock market is still very bullish for 4 years now, still very bullish. Then people laugh at him like stupid lah. The stock market goes up, you miss out opportunity. Okay, so on the 4th year or 5th year, the market crashed. Boom. So indeed, he estimate correctly lah because the market is overvalued. Sooner or later, it will drop. Okay, but of course, he do not know when. So on the 4th year or 5th year, the market dropped, and that is how he allocate a lot of money. And that is macro lah. Okay. Yeah. Of course, must know lah when investing. Okay. Hey, it's a very good question, man. I think it will be good if you ask Guru Focus. I'm very curious. I haven't asked. Just that today I saw about this, so I faster share with you. How often do I monitor the macro? Maybe every 3 months? Seldom lah, but I need to know what's happening lah. I think we need to know what's happening, right? Let's say you want to invest property in that country like Malaysia or Hong Kong. You need to know the country policy. You need to know the country culture. You need to know demographic, who you are selling to. Same thing. You need to know the macro before going to which property is good. Can you see that? Okay. So that's my style lah. Wow, this one very good, man. I do not know. Later, if got time, I go and see. I was shocked, man. Just now, I thought Hong Kong is undervalued. In my own opinion, it's undervalued. But I saw that, wow, Buffett indicated 900 plus. Wow, crazy, man. Okay, let's go. So if you have any other questions, right? Let's go. Okay, later I share with you some of the stocks that I'm looking at, if got time. Okay, so let's go. Let me share my screen. Okay. Okay, correct. Okay. So, okay. So these are the websites that I personally use to do my research. These 4 places. Okay. Everybody's type 4. These 4 are my most common used website. Okay, can you all name me one stocks? Then I take a look in front of you. Name me one stocks. Can be from any country. Can be from any country. Can be from Japan, can be from Singapore, can be from US, any country. Just name one stocks. I do a research right in front of you all using one of the 4. Okay? Let me drink some water. Hi, Jingrong. Hi, Tony Yang. Hi, Pufin. Hi, Lily. Okay. Can you list down one of the stocks? Then I do right in front of your INTC. Okay lah. Pfizer, SE, JD. Okay lah. Some of you say INTC, I use INTC, okay? So let's go, INTC. Okay, so based on just now that one, right? I show y'all, don't worry. Okay, INTC, so let's say INTC. Usually INTC is US stocks, right? I will use these two, Morningstar and Growth Focus. Okay, most of the time I use Morningstar only lah. Okay, but let's say, let me show you INTC, Morningstar. So I go in Morningstar already. Morningstar is what I use to see the key ratios, the summary of the financial statement. Okay, so from here, I will look at things like revenue. Is it increasing? Earnings per share, is it increasing or increasing steadily? Of course, like operating cash flow, free cash flow, see whether is it healthy, etc. Okay, so this is exactly how I use Morningstar. And then Morningstar cool thing, is on at one glance, I also can see the net profit margin. I always like to see this. Super important. I do not personally, not say not good. I personally do not like to invest in a company that net profit margin less than 8 or less than 5 one. To me, it's very risky. Net profit margin is so thin. Okay, anything may happen. Once the competitor come in, right, their net profit margin will even squeeze to, become lesser. Okay. So financial health, see whether they got debt or not. Okay, so this is exactly how I use Morningstar, and also I like to use this. Under Morningstar, there's this thing called valuation. Okay, valuation. So from here I can see the P ratio. Well, not bad. INTC P ratio not bad. Quite interesting. I do not know the company very well. Okay, but of course we know that there is this investor called Banana Investor. Okay, he talked about INTC, but it's not something that I know of. Not within my circle of competence, so I don't touch. Okay, but from here I like to see all these valuation. After I zoom in. Okay. So Growth Focus, you can also do that. Like from here, you got INTC. Yeah, then 30 years financial. Yeah, then from here can see lah. Okay, but of course, because if you didn't buy the subscription, you only can see the last 4 or 5 years. Okay, but I bought the subscription, so can see like 10 years or so. Okay. Okay. So let me see what are other stocks. How I use. Okay. Can y'all name me one? Okay, Malaysia. Okay, come. I just want to show. Let's say I'm interested in Malaysia stock. Let's say lah, but so far I've not so into Malaysia. But never mind. Let's say Malaysia top glove. So Malaysia stocks, right? I will also use Morningstar. But other than Morningstar, let me share with you something very cool. Okay, so let's say top glove, Morningstar. Top Glove is a Malaysia company, manufacturing glove, if I'm not wrong, one of the biggest lah. Top 3 or top 2, I remember. Okay, Malaysia. How I know Malaysia? Just to make sure there. Bursa Malaysia market. Okay, over here. Okay, so from here I will see the same thing, blah blah blah. On top of it, let me share with you one cool thing. On top of it, for Malaysia stocks, if I'm really interested, but I'm not interested lah, but let's say I'm really interested, I'll take a look using jita.com. Okay, so from jita.com I can see Malaysia stocks or Malaysia also don't have. A lot of places don't have Malaysia. Okay, so never mind. I want to share with you Jita. Okay, so Jita, right, I like to search for Singapore, Hong Kong, and US stocks over here. So let's say Hong Kong, I know this stock called CK Hutchison, which is owned by Lee Ka-shing, the richest man in Hong Kong. Okay, so I click this one. His holding company. So from here, right, what I like to see, right, is shortcut Okay, there's this thing called Jita line. I don't take it 100%. I don't take it 100% as in like I take it as a pinch of salt. But what is this Jita line? That means based on this system, this software, right, they calculated that this is the value of the company. Not me. To them, this is the value. Of course, the more money they make, the more consistent they are, the value increase. The not so consistent or the earnings drop, the value will go down. This is the value. This is the price. The blue color is the price. That means, what does it mean? That means to the company, it means to Jita, it means that if the stock price is the blue color below the dotted line, that means it's undervalued. There, you see 74% undervalued. Okay, this is their calculation. I'm not saying that I
I agree or disagree. I'm saying that this is based on their calculation. Okay, so sometimes, right, I come here and see also. You can click 10 years, past 10 years earning per share, etc. This website also not bad one. Okay, this is owned by a Thailand company. Okay, so you can see, you can put dividend yield or what. What I like about this one is customized. Customized. So let's say you want to put P ratio. P ratio have now. Okay, don't have. But let's say you want to put your earnings per share right at the top. I can put right at the top. Okay, let's say I want to see earnings per share. Okay, then I put update. So for all the stocks, right, the earnings per share will be at the top. Can you see here? Quite cool. That on one glance you can see. 19, blah, 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 10, has been decreasing. Not so good, huh? Yeah, so from here you can see. Quite cool. Quite cool. Okay. Let me show you something. Okay. So these are the stuff that I like. These are the, how to say? These are the website that I usually use. So one cool thing about Jita is this. There's a cheat code screener. Okay, how many of you want to know? Sometimes I rarely use this. Maybe every 3 months or every 1 year, I will use once or maybe twice. How many of you want to know my cheat code screener? If you want to know my cheat code screener, okay, if you really want to know my cheat code screener, what I want you to do is this. Okay, give me some support. Okay, that means under my life, right? Good, that's very good. A bit lag. Okay, under my life, right? Can you all see this? This heart shape? Click some love, give me some love. Then I will share with you my cheat code screener. Okay, can save a lot of time on. Okay, if you're using handphone or you're using computer, click this love. Give me some love. Come on. Click. Just keep clicking over here. Yeah, click. Okay, great. Okay, cool. Okay, so a lot of you click. Okay, so right now I'm going to share with you the cheat code screener. Thank you for watching. Thank you for clicking. Okay, so the cheat code screener is this. I love to use. Okay, so let's say Jita. Right now, let's say I'm interested in Singapore stocks. Okay, let's say. So after I see Singapore stocks, right? Wow, there is 500 over Singapore stocks. How do I choose? Okay, so this is what I use to screen sometimes lah. Okay, maybe 1 year once, maybe. So there's this thing called Jita score. Jita score is based on this website lah. Their score. The higher is, that means the better is lah. Okay, so let's say out of 1 out of 10, I want something that is more than 6. 6.5, example. Okay, I screen. Okay, overvalue, undervalue, sometimes I don't care. I just want to screen first. Okay, so out of 500 plus, right? Right now, we got 17 stocks listed in Singapore that Jita score above 6.5. So what do I do next? This is what I do. I want you all to focus now. This is what I do. The only thing I want to see, right, is that this line is not up and down. This line is sun go up. That means smooth go up. Okay, so this type I don't want. This type, okay, but not really I like. This type, okay, a bit flat. This type, let me show you the perfect one. This one not bad. This one not bad. Can you see? Sun, steady one. Okay, so what I do next is this. Guys, see, what I do is I open another tab, usually, and put inside my watch list. How do I put inside my watch list? Either you put inside your own personal watch list in your brokerage, or sometimes you can click follow. But I click follow. Follow means I want to capture this inside my watch list. And most of the time, when the curve like that very smooth go up, usually the EPS slowly grow up, usually lah. Let me show you, see whether my expectation is it right, my prediction. 0.2, 0.3, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5. Can you see? Very steady. Okay, because based on them, right, this company, the value has been increasing steadily. Can you see this line? Undervalue, overvalue, we don't talk about it first. I want you to focus on this dotted line. Okay, so it's like, I haven't even checked, but to them, to me, they already have first layer of check. So can save a lot of my time. Okay, everybody type first layer. Someone already do a first check for you before you take a look. Okay, so what do I do is this. I go through very fast, only 17. Fail. This one flat. Okay, fail. Okay, so only 17, but only one to me is pass. Okay, based on this lah, based on this. Okay, so let's say I change my country, I don't want Singapore. Let's say Hong Kong. Hong Kong got a lot of very cool company. Let's say Hong Kong. Okay, Hong Kong, then Jita score more than 6.5, 35 stocks. Okay, so let's say save playlist. Okay, okay, so I want to find those cool company. Okay, so this one definitely very good. Actually, I actually own this company now. Okay, but see, this is one example, very good. Can you see that? Very smooth. Then I already following. Yep, like what I mentioned, following. Okay, this one not good. Not bad. I like this one. Okay, this one a bit 勉强, bit forced to put, but okay, I will still put. Not bad lah. Generally good. Okay, follow long. Okay, this one, okay. This one I like. See, boom, go up, steady. This one also very steady. Okay, this one also steady. I haven't studied the company. I haven't studied the company, but this one layer of check. Then I just follow. Then I got time. Then one by one, go and check what they do and etc. Okay, this is just purely by numbers only. Numbers. Okay, everybody type numbers. This is purely by numbers only. I haven't checked what they do. I haven't checked whether I believe or what. This company 2 years ago, I already make 20%. Not bad. Okay, not bad. As in, I buy a little bit. That time buy for fun. I just want to test out whether this works. Actually, not bad. This really works. Okay, this one flat one. This one I take. Okay, already following. Can you see that? I already bought this like 2 years back, but I already sell. Okay. This one also very good. Can you see? Nice. This one up down. Don't like it. This one not bad. I think this one is already my watch list. Following. See, this one already my watch list. I got impression of what I'm doing. Okay, that's what I know. Okay, this one not bad. Alibaba Group. Okay, just listed. Wow, soon. Nice. Okay, see the line. Pam. I'm not saying I will believe 100%, but I use this as a benchmark. This one, not really. Follow. Okay, Alibaba just listed in Hong Kong. This one also not bad. Can you see straight line like that? Okay, this one, I don't want. I got better choice. This one flat. This one flat. This one up down don't want. This one flat don't want. This one not bad. 10 cents. Oh, they're 10 cents. Okay. Yeah, this one very smooth. Can you see that? This one up down don't want. This one flat don't want. Okay, Hong Kong stock exchange a bit flat. Okay, so follow. Okay. How many of you understand? It's quite simple, right? How many of you understand what I'm trying to do? If you understand, can you all type understand? Can all of you type understand? If you really understand what I'm trying to do, type understand. Wow, you all know behind the scenes what Glen is doing. Let me pause here for a while. If you understand what I'm trying to do, type understand. Wow, this is a cheat code, man. Nobody teach me this one, man. Yeah, but I found it somewhere. Yeah, I find interesting, because a lot of sun line, a lot of smooth line. I check the numbers, not bad. But I must emphasize again. This is purely based on numbers only. I don't buy purely based on numbers. Okay, I will check what they do. Okay, but based on numbers, they already have first layer of check. Of course, given a choice, you will buy below Jita line. Okay, but I don't anyhow. Okay, I better check. I want to have evergreen. Yeah, sun one. Okay, sun is Hokkien. In English, sun direct translate means smooth. Smooth, 对不对？对啊，smooth. Yeah, sun. Understand, sun. Okay, good. Okay, so I did that. I did that. Not bad. That one actually saved a lot of my time. Okay, instead, because US got 7,000 overstocks. Hong Kong got 2,000 to 3,000 overstocks. One by one search, I would die. So at least this first layer cut out 90%. So I left with those 10% to see which one I'm more comfortable. Then I zoom in. So this are how I save a lot of my time. Okay, guys, if you think that whatever I share with you just now for the past 5 minutes can save a lot of your time and have bring some value to you, but must be honest that have bring some value to you, can you type value? If you feel that whatever I share with you just now for the past 5 minutes, let me just following the line just by looking at the website, it has bring to you some value. Can you type value? Yes, we can do that for US stock. Later I'm going to talk about it. Smooth use SK2. Okay, thanks. This one really saved a lot of my time. I think I never shared with anyone before. Yes, I never shared with anyone before. This is the first time I share. Okay, thanks for your all your compliment. Okay, don't need this don't need to have subscription. This one don't need. Okay, maybe they have, but I didn't subscribe. Okay, for this one I didn't subscribe, but Guru Focus I subscribe. Okay, let me share with you the US one. US got a lot of stocks. Okay, so US I do much more faster. Can you see that? Yeah. Okay lah. I don't want to repeat lah. Okay, I will do the same thing. Okay, right now, right? I want to be upfront. How many of you listen? How many of you want to take a peek preview? A sneak preview at my mini watch list in Jita. If you want to have a sneak preview on Glen's mini watch list, type watch this. Type watch this. Then I will share. Those that following just now I share your shortcut. But I have a pool of it throughout some of the years. Some already delete, some already do a listing, don't know where. Quite long time ago. If you want me to show you, type watch list. Type watch list. Yeah, man. Great. Let me show you. Let me show you. Don't worry. Okay. Okay. So after I follow, right? How to see which are the one I'm following? Oh, thanks for giving me the hearts. Okay. The more hearts you all give, right, the more excited I am. Share more stuff. Okay. So how to see? I click on Glen Ho, which is my account. And I click following. Okay. Yeah. And these are those that I follow. Okay. I think I've been doing this like 2-3 years back. But every year I do this less than 3 times, maximum 5 times. I never really do that. Okay, so thanks for giving me the hearts, man. Thanks. Okay, so you can see this company, I also do not know. Last very long time, I see the Sun Sun line. Okay. Now still Sun Sun. But stock data unavailable or company delisted. Okay, maybe sometimes change name or sometimes delisted. Then they will not be here. Or sometimes they are being merged or being acquired. Okay, so this one I take out unfollow. Okay, how to unfollow? Click here. Hey, I unfollow cannot see. Why? I don't know. I click cannot. Weird. Never mind. Don't care. Don't let this affect me. Okay, so these are all my Sun stocks. Can you see Sun? Sun. Sun. All Sun one. Okay, Comcast why hilang why loss Stock not available. I do not know why. Okay, maybe deletes or what. Unfollow. Wow, that means 2015 I have been using this without me knowing. Okay, because before 2015 then I can see the Sun, then I go and follow, right? Yeah, so I use this for more than 5 years. I also didn't realize. Okay, so these are all my Sun one. You all can watch replay this one you see Sun halfway not very soon already so I faster go and unfollow. Same thing Unfollow. Hey, why cannot unfollow? Unfollow already. Okay, you click following means you unfollow same thing. Okay, this one not soon already. Can you see this? Drop. Not soon then unfollow. So after you do this one time, it's a one-time effort. Click unfollow. Okay, one-time effort. So every time I only come here and see. Weibo, I like this one. Okay, Sheng Siong. Okay, Hong Kong one. All Sun one. Can you see Sun? All Sun one. Can you see that? Sun all the way. Wow, I think you all must use my lingo. Okay, everybody type Sun. SON space SON. Don't tell your mother, father I teach you this but just type Sun. Sometimes life need to have some humor Everybody type Sun. This is I come up with my own line now. This is what my lingo. I name this as my Sun line. Okay, everybody type Sun line. So funny, man. Okay, so I will keep clicking the hearts. Thanks. Okay, so you can do your research over here So example, I like this company, by the way. Okay, so let's say I like this company. I want to take a look. So TSCO, US company. So what do? TSCO, Morningstar. Actually I don't need to do that. I can straight click this one. I do my research over here. Also can. Okay, I click fact sheet and I see whether is it undervalue or blah blah. I don't take the Jita line 100%. I'll do my own calculation. Okay, so you can see 1 point something, 2 point something, 3 point something, 4 point something. Can you see very smooth? 400% increment in 10 years. That means CAGR around 20% each year. Not bad, man. Not bad. Dividend, blah blah. So from here I do my own research, blah blah. Then after that I decide whether to invest or put at one side, blah blah. Okay, so this is one of the cheat code. I love Jita, man, but I rarely use lah. I too used to use Morningstar. Jita 1 year I come less than 10 times. 1 year less than 10 times. Yeah. Okay. So why I know about Jita? Because there's one time where people say, hey, Jita got Vietnam stock, so I come. Because got one period of time I invest in Vietnam stock. And just again, Jita is a Thailand company. So they started with Thailand, then US, then followed by the app Singapore, then followed by Japan. Wow, last time I come to Japan. Then followed by Hong Kong, then followed by Vietnam. Then recently they got UK, Japan, Taiwan. Wow, okay, not bad. Okay, so let me pause here for a while. Any questions so far for Jita before I share with you all the next step? Next step is very interesting one. Before I share with you all next, any questions so far? We have 1 minute Q&A. 1 minute Q&A. So let's see what we have covered. We have covered overall market outlook, my personal market outlook using the Buffett indicator, blah blah. What to do now? That means personally I will invest very little or invest with caution regarding US stock market. Okay, and what are the sources that Glen used? Just now I shared with you already. Okay, Jita lah, Morningstar lah, SGX.com lah. Okay, and etc. Okay, we have covered these three already. Okay, so any questions so far? 1 minute Q&A. One. Wow, the Sun line. Wow. Okay, 括号 mention 问假逼婚. Okay, watch this. Okay. Sneaky tick. Watch this. You're funny, yo. Sun line. Sun is Hokkien. Usually Malaysia and Singaporean understand. Okay, come. No. Okay, our friend here say, let me answer some of your question. Our friend here saying, how do you filter using Morningstar? I don't filter using Morningstar. Morningstar is, I don't know whether I can filter, but I didn't use Morningstar to filter. I use Morningstar to look at their financial, look at their the profile, look at the valuation, and etc. So Morningstar is like a summary of the financial statements. Financial statement very thick, each company. So Morningstar is like 1 page, 2 page, summarize the 300 page. Okay, they only pick up the key ratios. Okay. Okay, our friend here saying, why do you only check 3 times a year in Jita? A very good question. Why do I check? Why? Because I more frequently use Morningstar and I more frequently use Growth Focus. Jita, why do I use very little time? It's not because it's not good, just because I use Morningstar more. There's no why, but Jita is good. Just that I use Morningstar more. But you can use Jita. Some of my friends, they keep using Jita. It's okay. But if you want to have the exact numbers, more accurate answer, right? It will be financial statement. That means the tick one financial statement. Not so much on Jita, Morningstar. All these are shortcut. They summarize. Okay, can you all type summarize? Whatever website I show you all is a summary of the financial statement. So you all cannot believe 100%. If you want 100%, 101% must be super accurate. You must go and download the annual report. That one is the most accurate. Okay? But if you want shortcut, you see Morningstar first or Jita first, then you zoom into financial statement. Okay, so I want you all to remember. Can you all type shortcut? All these are shortcut or summary. Okay? Can use option on those Sun company? Can. If those are US listed company, you can consider using options if you want. Okay. You didn't explain using top glove. Okay, later I give a fast one. Okay. Right now. Don't worry. Okay, I'm not into top glove, but never mind. I will talk about it. My impression is at this period of time, confirm overvalue. I do not know whether it's a good company, but most probably overvalue. Let us see the company first, whether they are good business, followed by value, see whether. Okay, so company is not bad revenue increasing steadily, earnings per share 10 cents to 20 cents, not bad. Paying dividend quite smooth also, not bad. Company free cash flow E. Hope you never work there. The free cash flow negative. I don't touch. I see this one, I don't touch. That means maybe they got cash flow issue. Okay, so number one is a red flag. Not saying not good lah. It's like there are better choice lah. That's the word I can use. There are better choices. Okay. Not saying not good just that the better choices. But they are growing very fast. This company growing very fast. Okay, debt less debt. So not bad. Generally not bad. Just that this one is a red flag to me. Red flag. Cash flow got problem. Okay, so to me it's got slight problem. Not say not good. Let's say valuation. Walao, this company I run away. Sibei overvalue. Very overvalued. The P ratio 94. Okay, so as a fundamental analysis person, that means I buy based on fundamental, not on speculation. Once again, I'm not saying that my method is the best or whose method is right or wrong. I say based on my system, I use value investing, I use fundamental analysis. Okay, I'm buying business. This business is not something I want to own at the moment. Okay, because it's super overvalued. Like I expect, I anticipate. Because this period of time, people confirm speculate this company on. Because Top Glove manufacture a lot of glove. So people impression is this time a lot of people will buy and earnings will go up. Is it true? Is it not true? I do not know. But that's the impression. That's why people keep speculating the stock price. That's why right now the P ratio 94. Crazy. I rather throw in Google. Overvalue, I also buy Google better than this. Google maybe 30 plus, 40 plus. The P ratio, this one 90 plus. This is crazy overvalue. That's my opinion. Okay, so I already done share my opinion. I hope our friend here, I already explained it. Okay, must the price follow the dotted line? Wait. I'm not saying the glove company is good or bad. I'm saying overvalue. Okay, the Apple, is it nice? Apple sibei hoji super nice, but typically sell $3. This Apple they sell $300. I don't buy lah. Can you see that Apple is nice, but he sell me $3, I buy. He sell me $300, I don't buy. It's just a piece of Apple. Okay? Or maybe this water bottle is very good, Sell me $10, I buy lah. You sell me $1,000, I don't buy lah. Overvalue. Okay? So this logic, I'm not saying Top Glove not good. Okay? I'm saying super overvalue. I'll run away. Okay? Okay. Let me see. Must the price follow the dotted line? Not really lah. Dotted line is the value of the company. Price is price. Two different things. Can we control the price? Not really. We are predicting the business, not the price. Because the price is crazy one stock price. Okay? What are FinVis? FinVis. I forgot. FinVis I also got used. Okay, guys? I forgot to mention. FinVis I also got used. Also rarely used 1 year less than 10 times, but I got used. Okay, one of my most frequent also. Yes. This friend, thank you very much for sharing. Yes, I do use FinVis. Do all these systems you mentioned need to subscribe? No. Don't need, okay? Top Glove, world number 1. Wow, that's very good, World number 1. TG, what is TG? Need to reinvest fast, expand your capacity. Top Glove, okay, then very good, But just that it's overvalue. Overvalue and business is two different things. Guys, I think maybe y'all never attend lesson. Okay, it's two different things. Okay, reinvest everything is business. Stock price is two different things. I'm talking about the stock price overvalue. I'm not saying the business not good. Okay, y'all must attend lesson. I must say that attend lessons. It's two different things, guys. How many of you understand what I'm trying to say? That it is overvalue based on PE. If you understand, right? If you understand, type PE. I believe a lot of you here are my students, so you all get to know what I'm trying to say. Okay, most of you are my students. Okay, if you understand what I'm trying to say, that it is overvalue. I'm not saying that you all must agree, but if you understand what am I trying to say by overvalue, if you understand, type PE. Type PE. If you understand, you don't have to agree, but you have to understand what I'm talking about, guys. Okay. Okay. Come. Okay. Can you give some insights about Alibaba? Alibaba is good stocks, good business, but it's overvalued, undervalued. You must do your own homework, okay, Wayne? But it's a good business. I really like the business. Okay. Does the Jita line, does the Jita line follow? I don't know what you're talking about. Maybe you can ask me again. Does the Jita line only follow the OPS? The Jita line is not the EPS. The Jita line got other stuff. Okay, you go and check. The website got right one. The Jita line is based on what? Okay. But I take the Jita line as a pinch of salt. As an indicator. I don't take it 100% what I must follow. No. I take it as a pinch of salt. I still use my own indicator. Okay. Can you show the criteria that you filter using Finviz? No, not at this moment. Last time I showed before. You can watch my last time video. Okay. What's my take? My take is I do not know and I don't care. Not saying that it's not good. It's just that I do not know. I don't want to own the business because something I do not know. You don't need to own it, the whole world, okay? Just need to own the thing that you have conviction, okay? Okay? My student will know what I mean, okay? Okay, please ask Jita. I don't own Jita. So sorry guys, I don't own Jita, but you can ask Jita or Jita website do mention what is Jita line about. Okay, I already mentioned my friend. Okay. PE depends on sector. Yes. Okay, come on. Top Glove 94 PE. Okay. Anyway, come. I show you the last part. Very exciting part. Okay. Anyway, those of you who ask me questions, there is no stupid question. There is no right question. There is no wrong question. A question is a question. Okay. So I acknowledge every single one of you who ask me. Okay. But sometimes I answer a bit too fast, too direct because time is running out. Okay. Okay, so the top glove friend I already mentioned to you. Okay, so okay, come. The last part is this. Okay. People always ask, Glenn, do you monitor the stock market or not? Do you monitor stock price or not? My answer is I do not monitor. Okay, those of you who know me, I never monitor the stock market. I never monitor any stock price. Then people always ask me, Glenn, if you never monitor how do you know that the stock price go up and down? This is my 秘密武器. Okay, this is my behind the scenes. Okay, right now I'm going to show you. Okay, this is a handful app that I personally use to set stock alert. Okay, I use it to set stock alert and it provides worldwide stock information. Okay, so I give you a live demonstration. Don't worry. Can you name me one stock that is maybe currently overvalued? Let's say overvalued. Super over. Don't say top glove lah. Name me one company, maybe US one that everybody knows that's currently overvalued in your opinion. Okay, then I show you something. I show you this thing. Name me one stocks because I'm going to set up this one for you so that you can see behind the scene what am I doing. Okay. Okay, come. This is what I want to show you, okay? Okay, this is one of my favorite app. I want to show you favorite app okay, which is this investing.com. Why I use this app? Let me show you. Because this app right got the whole world stock market, and I can set stock alert. This is a 广告. This is an advertisement. Okay, I cancel. Okay, so in this app, what am I trying to show you? Okay, I can set stock alert, so I don't have to monitor the stock price. I don't monitor stock price on those of you who know me. Okay, and people always ask me, oh yeah, bro, really or no? You never monitor stock price. How you know when the stock price undervalue? How you know when the stock price overvalue? I use technology lah. Okay, come. Name me one stocks. Apple. Okay, let's say Apple. Everybody know. Never mind. Disney. Okay, Disney recently dropped a lot. Okay, so let's say Disney. Okay, so our friend here, let me show you how I use set stock alert for Disney. Let me share my screen. Okay, good. So after I enter this app, what I do is this. Okay, let me use my mouse and my hand. So I search for Disney. Okay, over here. Search for Disney. DIS. Over here. Okay. So example. Based on today, the blah time, Disney is 130. Okay. So let's say after my calculation and blah blah blah, I think that Disney is undervalued if it is below 110. Okay, 110 and below is undervalued. Example lah, based on my valuation. Those of you who attend my class, you know what I mean, okay? We can have our system and calculate how much undervalued. So let's say undervalued only below 110. So what do I do there? Can you see this bell? So I click this bell, okay? And I go and below, okay? Move below, then I set 110. 110. Then I send email notification. Of course, inside you need to register so that they got your email. Okay? 110, more below, then I click create. Can you see that? Alert created successfully. It means what? It means I'm telling this system, this app, that let's say Walt Disney in the future, maybe 1 month later, maybe 2 months later, maybe 1 year later, the stock price from 130 drop until 110 or below, I will receive a email notification. And from there, right, I can reassess Disney. That means he alert me only. He never ask me to buy. He alert me, hey, Disney dropped to 109 already, below 110 already. Like that, he just alert me. And from there, I reassess Disney and see whether is it undervalued, do I want to enter. Then of course, I don't have to monitor Disney lah. If nothing happened, then nothing happened. If I receive an email notification, right, then I can go inside. Okay, so how do you see all your email? How do you see all your alerts? Okay, these are all my alerts. I show you. That's why I don't monitor stock. People always say I monitor. I don't monitor. I show you proof. Okay, so I click more. Okay, I click alert. These are all my alerts. You can see sneak preview. Phone, Apple, Lemonade, blah blah blah. Can you see? So many. Got Hong Kong stock, got Singapore stock, OCBC, Visa, blah 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 blah. So many. Can you see that? So this is a one-time effort. Yeah, I don't have to monitor. Okay, everybody type one-time effort. One-time effort. One-time effort. Yeah, this is very, very cool. Okay. Once again, I am not a speculator. I'm not a trader. Okay, I'm a long-term investor. So I use most of my time not in the stock market. I use most of the time doing what? Doing the things I like. Go out with my friends, spend time with my family. Okay, do something like that. Okay, or sometimes I research on the stock market. I don't go and watch the research on the business, not stock market. I don't research the stock market. Okay, so most of my time I'm not watching the stock market. So how do I don't watch the stock market and still involved in the stock market if it hit my entry point? I use app. Okay, some people will say, hey Glenn, they send to you email notification only the next day, then you know. Yeah, next day then I know lah. I don't enter immediately. I need to think. I need to do my research. It's okay. 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 Let me pause here for a while. Now, right now it's around 9 p.m. already. We have a 5 minutes Q&A. I always like Q&A because that's how I interact with you. Okay. Let's have a 5 minutes Q&A. Please leave down all the questions and I'll help you answer almost within my power. I'll answer every question within my means now. Okay. Okay, come. Question, let me look at. Okay, our friends here. What's the difference between US listed Alibaba and Hong Kong Alibaba? What's the difference? You still own the same Alibaba. So the underlying is still the same, no difference. Okay, but you need to go and research. The valuation will be different. You can search. Okay, and then the number of shares they give out is also different. Maybe in US they liquidate, they push to the public 20% of the company. Then maybe Hong Kong they push up 50% of the company. So you must go and research all this. Okay, I'm not going to cover now. That one is a bit more detailed, but you have to go and research all this. Okay, but the underlying is the same Alibaba. Okay. Is the price real time or delayed? Most probably delayed. Yeah, this is not brokerage. This is not brokerage. This is like app helping you to look at stocks. Okay. I'm not sure it's real time, but I treat it as delayed because I don't use the price very seriously. I use agak-agak. Okay. And then make my decision during the brokerage. Okay. Let me see any question. If you have any question, please write it down, guys. I will help you move forward. Let me see. Okay, are the alerts lag since US service is not local? It's not lag until so lag lah. It's maybe 15 minutes lag or what only. It's not very lag, guys. It's not very lag. It's maybe 15 minutes lag. Okay. And depends, guys. If you are a trader, don't use this. Trader, maybe you need instant within 1 minute make decision. This is not for trader. This is for me. I relax. Investor is slow by 1 hour. It's also okay because I don't buy and sell within 1 hour. Whatever I buy, I keep for months or even years. Okay. So if you are a trader, please don't look for it. If you want real time, very accurate, This one maybe not for you, okay? By the way, this is not a paid service, so I don't mind, okay? But it's a very good question, my friend. Okay? Do you need to subscribe to invest.com to be able? No, you don't need to subscribe. No, you need to register, yes. But you don't have to pay lah. But you need to register. If not, they cannot have an email, then they cannot notify you, okay? That means register lah, huh? Then you very ing. Yeah, of course I very ing lah. I'm not a speculator, I'm not a trader, okay? Your take on Genting. Genting, my. For stocks like LMT, how do you assess them? Very good, man. Very good question. Let me answer this, Gordon. LMTD currently, right, is don't have track record. They just listed. They are also negative. So if you are value investor, pure value investor, definitely you will not buy lah. Oh? But let's say you understand the company, like I do, because I last time was from insurance line. I know that business, okay? If you understand the business, if it is a circle of competence, and if you believe the story, because they got some story lah. I think, by the way, if you ask me LMTD, definitely you know something about lemonade. If you believe the story, maybe you can enter a little bit also. Huh? Okay, but there's no track record. Just think note of that, okay? For Morningstar, do you have to subscribe to get information on? From what I know, you don't have to subscribe to get all the information, but if you want to get more advanced detail on their analysis, you can get it. Paid subscription, up to you, okay? How do you tell between different type of stocks, growth stock? Wow, this one, I'm not going to explain today lah. It's quite advanced. Okay, in general, you treat yourself as a user lah. Treat yourself as user. Is telecom a growth company? Most probably not lah. Stagnant company. Is bank a growth company? Most probably also no. Bank is most probably dividend or asset. Okay, growth. Is Visa a growth company? Most probably yes lah. They can grow very fast and grow worldwide. Is Facebook a growth company? Most probably yes. They can grow worldwide. They can increase their price. So, okay, never mind. A rule of thumb is you go and check the EPS. If the growth rate more than 20-30% per annum, most probably it is growth. Those that very slow one grow less than 10%, most probably they are either dividend or asset. This is the rule of thumb. Okay? This is the rule of thumb. Okay? Tango. Hong Rui. Why will the JITA score change in short time? I think it will be good if you ask them. No, I'm serious. It will be good if you ask them, because I'm not the best person to answer. I'm a user of that JITA line. I do not create or own the JITA line. Yeah, but from what I know, JITA line quite helpful for my first layer of checking. Okay, but if you want to know more detail, why the line like that, why the line increase, why the line decrease, how they calculate the line, I think it will be good if you contact them. They are very helpful. Okay, Morningstar also very helpful. Sometimes the numbers got some error. I email Morningstar, they also say thank you for telling us, we will change accordingly. They are very helpful. Okay. Wait let me see. Walao, SIA stock I siam already. I never touched airline stocks in my whole life. I love airport, I hate airline as a shareholder. I love airline as a user. I hate airline as a shareholder. That's my personal take. Okay, and recently SIA keep having rights issue. That means they keep taking money from shareholder. My take is don't touch airline. My take, okay? What's the advice? What do you mean by what's the advice? Sorry. What kind of charting tools if tell me any entry exit? I use TradingView for charting. I only use support and resistance, not much, okay? This one is Amanda. Wayne, immediately use your method to assess Alibaba. Thank you. Okay, must do your own research, Wayne. Our friend here, based on your experience, a long-term investor, besides fundamental analysis, do you use another layer of check? Yes, I do use technical, but not very deep. My technical is maybe moving average and support and resistance. That's all. Maximum I use. I don't use RSI, MACD, Bollinger Band, Fibonacci. I don't touch all this. Not saying that those are not good. It's just me lah. I don't use all those lah. Okay, personal take. I don't use all those. Okay. Okay, I think another 1 more minute, then we can call it a day. Good time to invest, BB Baba. you can let me know lah whether is it a good time to invest now. Okay, I haven't studied Baba. How do you have regular income? I sell options lor. But rarely sell options. I keep buying stocks nowadays. Because US a bit overvalued, man. Do you believe their story? Actually, I like their story. I don't believe or don't believe. I not a yes or no, believe or don't believe, but I like their story. And I think I'm on a positive side on LMTD. That's all I can say as of now. Okay, because I'm from insurance line last time, I believe what they say. Okay, that means standing on the user side rather than having a corporate mindset. Okay, if you really read, you will know what I mean. Okay, if you really read their shareholders letter, their business model. Okay, another more 30 seconds. Since the US market is now overvalued, should we also refrain from doing more buy call? Actually, yes. I nowadays I slow down on my buying call. Okay, I buy more stocks nowadays. Okay, yes, that's me lah. I'm not saying it's right or wrong, but that's me. Okay, in the past I keep buying call. But right now I really think it's a bit too high, so I just purely buy stock and I have lesser position in US. Yes, currently. Okay. Are you invested in Maple Leaf? Yes, I'm invested. What's the target for ROI for investing per annum? Target lah. Not, but I'm not. I want to be upfront. Not every time hit. My target is 20 to 30% issue. My target lah. Some of you might think that wow a lot. Some of you might think so little. It's okay. That's me. Okay. I exit. Yeah, man. I cannot say any further. And I don't touch. Illumina, something that is cool, but I don't understand. If Illumina and LMTD, I know LMTD more. Not LMTD. LMND. Lemonade, okay? Very old. US market value at present overvalued partly because of QE. Maybe. Partly because of QE. I agree. Most probably. They inflate the whole thing. High PE still buy stock. High PE, I buy those low PE one. I don't buy high PE one, guys. I don't buy high PE. I buy low PE stocks. Okay. Yes, good. Wayne, do your own research. I know what to do. What do you think about S&P and SGX? Of course, I enter SGX lah. Some of you might know. Because in my own community, I talk about my real-time trades. Last week, I invested in my Straits Time Index. That means I invest in the whole Singapore economy. Not bad. And then I got at that time when I enter it's around 4.9, 4.8 dividend yield. Not bad lah. Not bad. Okay, I enter at a 5-year low. Can it get lower? Maybe. I'm not saying that I can enter at the best price. No, but I enter at a not bad price. Okay, at a 5-year low. Okay, and I believe Singapore economy. That's me. Okay. Carol, cannot like that say that overall is overvalue, but doesn't mean you must withdraw everything. I don't believe in withdraw everything. I always believe in staying invested. Okay, but I also believe in portfolio sizing. Okay. Apple splitting stocks, buy before. People that know me, I don't like Apple. My handphone is Xiaomi. I don't have Apple Watch. My computer right now, this one is Windows. My head to toe nothing Apple, and I don't like Apple. Okay, so I don't own the stocks also. Why must I buy Apple stocks? Don't like Apple. Okay, that's me. I'm not saying you must be like me, but I don't like Apple. Okay, so how good, how undervalued, I also siam. I don't buy. Okay, why must I support the company I don't like? Okay, okay. Last 10 seconds, then we harass. Okay, when you say you buy low PE, you mean not page PE? You mean how low you referring to? Every stocks is different. I cannot like that say that. Like let's say Facebook, that time PE ratio less than 20, I whack a lot. Okay, so different. Then banks that time OCBC PB 0.8, I whack a lot. Okay, so different stocks different. I don't know how to say how low is low. Okay, I don't know how to explain it, but in general, any PE ratio that above 30, I don't touch. I can say what I will not touch but what I will touch, different stocks different. PE above 30, I siam, I don't touch. Okay, Tesla, I don't touch Okay, not say not good, I just don't touch. I don't understand. Why so stubborn? Hey, I don't like the business. Why must I own a business? You all know that we buy stocks is owning the business, right? I don't like Apple. What's the business? Okay. STITF, yes, I bought STITF. Okay, wait. Nothing wrong with Apple. Just that I personally don't like. It's just like some of you like durian, some of you don't like durian. It's okay, what? You can have your life, I can have my life, okay? So I don't like Apple, okay? Why I don't like Apple? Because they are selling at a premium. Maybe you can say I cheapo. I'm a cheapo, guys. I buy Xiaomi, the specs much better than Apple. I'm not here to argue. A lot of friends say Apple better. I don't care. Based on specs, Xiaomi is better. And the price, at least 30% cheaper. Apple, most of my friends buy Apple is not because inside the spec is good. They buy Apple because of the brand. Okay, they buy Apple because of the brand. Nothing wrong with that. I respect that. But I don't buy brand. I buy product. So I buy Xiaomi. Specs damn good. My previous phone is Huawei. Huawei also very good. Okay, so I buy specs, I buy product, I don't buy brand. You may like me, you may don't like me. It's okay. That's me. I'm just sharing. Okay. Okay. That's all. Okay. That's all. Okay. Anyway, thanks a lot for viewing this. Okay. I hope all of you benefit from this sharing. Okay. Let's be honest lah. Okay. Don't talk about Apple or what lah. How many of you in this session you learn at least one thing that can help you in your investment journey? If you learn at least one thing that can help you inside your investment journey, type value. Okay, only when you believe whatever I share with you just now, okay, that add value to your investment journey, type value. Okay, and I'm very curious I share with you a lot. Share with you investing.com, the hack, the Jita hack. I share with you what are some of the things I mentioned, like revenue, all these. I share with you Morningstar. Okay, can you share with me one thing? What is the one thing that you most like? What is the one favorite thing that you like the most from this session? Can be investing.com app, can be Jita cheat code or what. Just name me one thing, your favorite stuff in this session. Can you just comment below? I'm just very curious which part that I mentioned you love the most, or is it Q&A? Okay, or what, or the Buffett indicator? Which part do you love the most? Can you all comment below? I'm just very curious which part you all like the most. Okay, all of you may be different. Hey, thanks man, thanks for compliment. Okay, value plus handy honest, everything helpful. I know everything helpful. Thanks for all your compliment, but can you share me just one thing? What is the one that to you is the most valuable, or to you think is the wow aha moment? You think is the most valuable or most beneficial or most helpful in your investment journey? I'm just very curious. What I feel about stocks. Hey, thanks for compliment, but come on. Oh, Jita cheat. I also like this one. Karen, Jita cheat code. Practical and useful. Thank you. Your process. Hey, thank you very much. Everything lah. Thanks for sharing lah. Hey, thanks. Wow, you all like to sugarcoat your words. I really want your honest answer. You all don't like that. I personally also like these two, Jita and the investing.com. The investing.com save a lot of my time. I don't need to stare at the screen. Huh? Jita and Q&A. Thanks for all your comments. Then thanks for all your feedback. I really appreciate every single one of you. Patience where Buffett held cash for 4 years. This one. Warren Buffett, y'all can go and search. I forgot which year, but y'all can go and search. Warren Buffett hold cash for 4 years. You're going to search. Or Warren Buffett hold cash during which year? You're going to search. There is a story behind it. There's an article writing about it. You're going to search, okay? I forgot which year, but I know there's this period of time. Practical and useful. Thanks, Sun. Some of you mentioned the Sun line. Damn cute, this person. I don't know who is that, but yeah. Be a cheapo. Jita cheat. Don't buy. I never asked you don't buy lah. If you like Apple product, you can buy. I never affect y'all, but just sharing with you, I personally don't like. Okay. Very funny, y'all. Okay, once again, I also like you're very down to earth and easy to comprehend. Hey, thanks. How to screen using Jita? That one, my Sun line, I also like it. Save a lot. Okay. Anyway, thank you for all your feedback. I really appreciate all your attention and feedback. I hope all of you are beneficial from this sharing. Okay, I'll see you all next week or 2 weeks later again. Okay, so thank you very much. Someone asked me which Xiaomi phone. I'm not here to sell phone now. Okay, thank you very much. This gentleman or this lady. Okay, thank you very much for your kind attention. I will see you all again. Bye bye. All of you type bye bye. Bye bye to each other. All of you type bye bye so that we know we bye bye from each other. Bye bye.